OPPO has just dropped a bomb with their latest Find X7 series, and we've got not one, but two incredible smartphones to unveil: the OPPO Find X7 Ultra and the OPPO Find X7. So without further ado, let's dive right into the unboxing. Alright folks, here they are, the OPPO Find X7 Ultra and the OPPO Find X7. We'll start with the Ultra variant, the true flagship of the series. As we lift the lid, the first thing we see is this gorgeous, sleek smartphone, the OPPO Find X7 Ultra. It's sporting a 6.82-inch Quad HD plus AMOLED 120Hz LTPO display, ensuring you get stunning visuals with ProXDR technology and Dolby Vision support. Just imagine those vibrant colors and deep blacks. It's a visual treat. Now, let's talk power. The Find X7 Ultra is a beast under the hood. Running on the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, paired with up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to a whopping 512GB of UFS 4.0 storage, this phone is ready to handle anything you throw at it. And no worries about overheating. It comes with an aerospace-grade cooling system that's larger than life. Moving on to the camera department, this is where the Find X7 Ultra truly shines. It boasts a revolutionary dual periscope telephoto camera setup. It has four 50-megapixel rear cameras, including a 1-inch Sony Licia LYT900 sensor, an ultra-wide Sony LYT600 sensor, and not one, but two periscope telephoto lenses with OIS for 3x and 6x optical zoom. Say goodbye to blurry zoomed-in shots. But wait, there's more. OPPO has upgraded the camera experience with professional Hasselblad portraits and a super light and shadow image engine. With Android's first instant dual-frame technology, the shutter response speed is 4 times faster, and they've even thrown in the industry's first HDR preview. Your photos are about to reach a whole new level. And check this out. The Find X7 Ultra comes with a leather back, glass camera part, and a 602mm bionic super vibration motor for that satisfying haptic feedback. It's also IP68, rated for dust and water resistance. No need to panic if it accidentally takes a splash. Powering all this greatness is a hefty 5000 mAh battery, supporting 100 watts wired fast charging and 50 watts wireless fast charging. And for the fashion conscious, it's available in ocean and sky, desert silver moon, and pine shadow blue colors. Now for the moment of truth, the price. The OPPO Find X7 Ultra starts at USD $844 for 12GB plus 256GB, going up to USD $985 for the top-end 16GB plus 512GB model. It's available for order right now in China and hits the shelves on January 12th. But wait, there's more from OPPO. Alongside the Find X7 Ultra, they've introduced the OPPO Find X7. Let's quickly unbox that as well. Here it is, the OPPO Find X7. It may not be the Ultra model, but it's no slouch either. With a 6.78-inch 5K AMOLED display and the latest Dimensity 9300 chipset, this phone promises a visual and performance treat. And just like its bigger sibling, it comes with an aerospace-grade cooling system, up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and up to 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage. Moving to the camera setup, it features 3 rear cameras, including a 50 megapixels Sony LYT808 main sensor, a 50 megapixels ultra-wide Samsung S5KJN1 sensor, and a 64 megapixels periscope telephoto OmniVision OV64B sensor with OIS for up to 3x optical zoom and 6x hybrid zoom. Hasselblad's camera tuning ensures your photos look stunning. The Find X7 comes in glass and leather back versions, and it's rated IP65 for dust and splash resistance. The 5000 mAh battery supports 100 watts wired fast charging, though it lacks wireless charging, unlike the Ultra variant. Now, for the price tag, the OPPO Find X7 starts USD $563 for the 12GB plus 256GB model, going up to USD $647 for the top-end 16GB plus 1 TB variant. It's also available for order in China and hits the shelves on January 12th. And there you have it, folks. The unboxing and first look at the OPPO Find X7 Ultra and the OPPO Find X7. Which one are you eyeing? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech content, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, stay techie.